Cool, nice turn up today. We got me, Ryan, got a Corvette with us. David with the orange GSF pulled up. We got another ISF. We got an F82. Another ISF here. Frank, and we got the Supra joining us. And I think we're meeting up with some other guys. And then, yeah, we're gonna cruise up to Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. So yeah, let's get on the road. I'll put the head mount on, and we will record our journey up to the Cars and Coffee. Play a little catch up with these boys. Dang, they shut down the highway over there. Must have been a crash or something. Okay, now they shut down this highway too? Or what's going on today? Both sides? Look at that. Oh, he crashed. Oh, you'll see his hood? He's stressed. Oh no. Damn. But yeah, now look at that. Both sides have damn near stopped traffic. What is going on this morning? All right, we're leading the pack now with Frank and Ryan. GTS over there. We don't know who that guy is. And maybe, if you can see my side view, got an ISF, the Supra, the Corvette, the ISF, and the M4 all the way in the back. Taking 3 lanes now. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but we are going to meet a second group of cars, and then we're going to be going into that event. There's no way we're all finding parking together. This event gets way too packed, and people kind of hog the parking spaces by going the prior night and parking their cars. So, yeah. Yeah, let me get a look at these other cars. Supra coming through, very nice. We've got the Corvette coming through next. Got the ISF. Then we got the M4. Nice. All right. Second group of people should be here. Just in this mall to the right of us. Yeah, maybe we're leaving immediately because we are now. Oh, it's only about 5 minutes late. I'm supposed to be here at 6:45. It's 6:50 right now. Damn, that sun is in my eye. Oh, look at this group of little minis right here. Oh, those are cool. Look at those. All right, here's the second group. Picked up a few more cars. The RCF here. Picked up the GSF right here. We got Eric, this ISF, also a 2014 one. And we got another GSF, Novell exhaust, just like the orange GSF. Picked up another ISF. Then some of the buddies we came in with. Oh, Frank, get out of here. What? So yeah, this is the group, and I don't know if we're waiting for anybody else, but yeah, I guess we're about to cruise out soon to the Cars and Coffee. Oh, and then we have a Shelby over here. I don't think it's GT500. I think it's it's a Super Snake. Oh, man. This is cool. Man, look at the carbon they put in this. All right, car's about to cruise out. right, so we stepped away from the group for a little bit just to get these photos done, and then we'll head back to the event, and then I'll show you guys some cars. Right now, all the cars are still rolling in, so nothing too crazy popped up. Craziest thing there right now was a Carrera GT, and yeah, but there were some supercars rolling in when we started leaving. So yeah, we'll see what's there when we get back. Right now, me, Frank, Ryan, heading out to the shoot. The red Mustang is going to be doing rollers for us as well, so should be cool. All right, so it looks like we're in I think it's Encinitas. I think that's where we are. Nice looking area, but we're trying. I guess he said there's a shot over here where we can pull off and we get like an ocean backdrop to it, so I think that's where he's taking us first. I've actually never been to this side of town before. That should be cool. All right, so we're here at the first stop. Look at the car looking good. The sun's hitting it at that perfect angle. Frank's car looking good as well. Ryan in the front leading the pack. Ocean back. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. All right, we are done with the photo shoot. Heading back to the Cars and Coffee now. Just look at the nice scenery that we're driving in. I got Ryan behind me. Takes up the charger. Hey, Ryan. Yeah, head back there now. I can finally show you guys what cars have pulled up. See if there's any cool things there. So I'll pick the camera back up once we get there. I haven't seen one of these SRT 10 trucks in a while. That's cool. They got a Carrera GT behind it.
Oh, man, we're too early. Yeah, give up about 30 minutes.
Later. Edition E92 M3. GT3 Touring, very cool. Oh, this green is nice. Boxer Spider. Super fast in the 720. Oh, Challenge Stradale. We got an F12.
Want to go, Judy? We're right here. We're gonna follow you.
As well here. Damn, dude, this paint is sparkling. An F8, this one is super cool. White. This NSX right here. Check out the scoop on the top. Then R8 V10. Damn, these cars will always look good. Face to face with another V10. And then another V10 behind it. That's sick. That's sick. All right, we're heading out to Lexus of Escondido for some more photos, I think. Beautiful scenery, beautiful weather. Oh, just makes you want to drive, man. Makes you want to downshift some more, let it echo off the walls. Capture the other two 2014 ISFs that joins us. So we have 3 of the 2014 ISFs. So if you remember, there's only 86 of the 2014 ISFs in America. And 3 of them are right here. So here in Escondido, after the row of SUVs, you have 2 LFAs facing off. All right, setting up for the next photo shoot right now. Damn, look at the lineup of cars, man. They're putting all the 4 2014 ISFs all together. All right, we got the GSF coming at the end. Got David here. We got a GTR that attended as well. And that Corvette is purring. Damn, what a turnout, man. Yeah, all right, we're all parked up. Now, this is a nice lineup right here. Got a good turnout for today's festivities. If we do some more driving, I'll pick the camera back up, but if not, end of this video. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. From the Southern California Fs and LC and Supra and Corvette and GTR. Catch you guys later. Peace.